Who would have ever thought that a 2021 penny would sell for $1,600? Definitely not me. And I would highly advise against paying this amount of money for a coin like this. So this coin graded as a PCGS Mint State 68 red. It is a top population of 2. What does that mean? That means that there's only 2 of these coins graded this highly. There are collectors out there that will go after these high top pop coins to say that they have the highest graded coin in their collection. Now the chances of you sending your coins off to a company like PCGS and getting them graded and you getting the grade of 68 is very, very slim. Also keep in mind that you have to pay money and there is a turnaround time to get your coin back. So it is a bit like gambling here. But if you did end up getting a penny like this and it was in really good condition and it graded at a 68, 69, or 70, you turned 1 penny into so much money. When it comes to a percentage standpoint, the amount of percentages you made on your penny is astronomical. I don't want to be getting your hopes up too much because the chances of you getting the high grade is really, really hard, especially if you don't handle your coins properly. That's why it's so important to know how to handle your coins. I offer a completely free ebook that goes over coin handling and conditions and values. All you got to do is enter your email below. I'll send you a free book, but you really don't have to do that. What you really need to know on this coin is that this coin is from 2021. It has a D mint mark below the date there on the front. That D mint mark stands for the Denver Mint where this coin was minted. Now, generally, these coins are not going to be worth this much money unless you get it graded and it grades at this very high grade. So please don't be buying these coins at this high price because it's very, very likely that over time these coins will go down in value, specifically with these top population coins. Hit that subscribe button, it really does help out with the YouTube algorithm. Stay tuned for more and I'll see you in the next video.